Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Supabase connection string. So first, you need to log in into your Supabase account. Then you click on the top left corner here to see this page. After that, you select the project that you want to find the connection string. In our case, the project will be first project here. So you click on it. Then you find connection here. You just select it. And then here you go, you will find direction connection and it will be your connection string here. And also you will find the parameters here. So basically you just need to copy this connection string. But as you can see here, you need to put your password. You don't just left it like this. You need to delete this and change it with your actual password and also delete the bracket. Don't leave the bracket. In case you forget what is your password, it's easy to recover. You just close this. You go to project settings. After that, you will find database here. You just select it. And then you will find reset database password. You just go here and change your password. So let's go back to our connection string. So we just need to copy it and then paste it here and change it with our actual password. In my case, the password is 123. And here you go. This is how you find your Supabase connection string. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.